Okay, here. Hold it by the top and squeeze it like that, and then the other one like that. And then that way you got a good grip on it, it's not swinging around, and it's not obscuring the camera, okay?
Yeah.
Sound good?
Yeah.
Yeah, every so often I have good ideas. Even though nobody wants to listen to me.
Okay. Hopefully it's an express train. Because from a distance, it looks like it's moving slow.
Yeah, this thing looks like it's moving pretty slow. Normally they would have been here. But he's going slow because of the train in front of him. Look at it. Can't you still see the Amtrak train from here?
Oh, yeah. It's rush hour.
You know, they need more tracks.
Yeah, maybe triple.
Well, you know, if you look at the width of that thing that holds the lights, it
Metra
looks...
commuters, your attention, please. The next Metra train approaching your station will be a Metra Express train and will not stop.
Ooh, there we go. Now, if we sit down on the...
That's got to be number
If we sit
2144.
down on the bench, you'll be looks nice and steady. You won't wiggle around at all. You just sit on the bench.
Wait.
Metra commuters, your attention, please. A Metra inbound train will be
Wait,
arriving
just be
in
nice and still.
approximately 4
Here.
minutes.
There. Be nice and still that way. Okay?
Your attention,
Like this.
please. A Metra inbound train will be arriving in approximately 4 minutes.
You know what? I don't think this is an express.
They said it would.
You think so?
Yeah. Maybe it's just going to be a slow-moving express.